So I'll go to Nerul via Vashi and not Airoli. 2 बार मैं अडोली से जाके आ चुका हूँ एंड बहुत पछताया था. So this is the better road and I will go and first meet Abhishek and then I will meet Junaid who will give me the paddock stand. So there is no shop where I am purchasing the paddock stand, so but I will surely link his Instagram page in the description box so that if you want to buy you can contact him directly. So बज गए हैं 4:53 and hopefully in next half an hour I will be in Nerul. So I've reached Nerul and it's 5:21. तो कंप्यूटर जी अभिषेक को कॉल लगाया जाए. Okay, so Abhishek is here finally और हम जा रहे हैं जुनैद से मिलने के लिए. And finally 2 or 3 times riding together. So guys, you say which looks better, black or red? So we have both. Okay, so we reached and somewhere here Junaid will meet us. So guys, I've just taken the paddock stand और इसको मैंने अपने गले में डाल दिया एक तरह से. Looks a little weird but बाइक के लिए तो जान भी हाजिर है. So Abhishek is going to help me and he is going to come with me to Andheri. और क्या है, the paddock stand is red color and मैं आपको बताऊंगा एक बार फिक्स होने के बाद. So first we will go to Abhishek's house and he will keep his bike and we'll go together to Andheri AH helmets and we'll see some more helmets there. So guys, we are going to AH helmets and we are at the moment in Andheri and it is hell traffic over here. So Abhishek is still with me obviously because he wants to buy the helmet. And I have taken the paddock stand and the gloves and I have kept it at home and then we left and we came here. So just more 10-15 minutes to go. We are almost in Andheri and AH helmets is somewhere in Andheri West, so we'll go there and see the available options and get one helmet. हाँ नहीं नहीं, ये अंदर ही इधर ही है. मैं जहाँ गया था वो पास में ही है. हाँ हाँ वो पास में ही है. वहाँ जाना है पहले फिर.
ये सब जो हेलमेट है ये आईएसआई नहीं है रे?
ये इंटरनेशनल अप्रूव्ड है.
हाँ डॉट ना,
डॉट ईसी स्नेल ये सब अलग अलग अप्रूवल है.
आईएसआई से बड़े हो गए.
ऑफ कोर्स आईएसआई से बेटर है. आईएसआई तो किसी को भी चिपका के दे देता है. हाँ देखो पसंद आ ही जाएगा यार. यहाँ पे अंकल मैं आ गया फिर से. हेलमेट पहन गया है इधर.
फिर लगाना है तो ऐसे नहीं लगेगा, जहाँ निकला ना
जैसे निकला, हाँ
यहीं से बैठ जाएगा वो अपने आप।
So guys, finally Abhishek has taken an SMK helmet and you will see the footage on the video itself. So now it's कितने time हो गया?
It's like 9.
It's 9 in the night and we are going home now. Finally some food together.
Yeah.
डोमिनर वाला हो या KTM वाला हो, अपने बाइक का व्यू मिस कर ही नहीं सकता है। यही है
सर, बाइक कहाँ से लिया?
दुकान से।
दुकान से?
हाँ,
कौन से?
TVS के दुकान से।
हाँ?
TVS के दुकान से।
TVS के दुकान से? सर मैंने भी वहीं से लिया।
वहीं से लिया था क्या?
हाँ।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा।
और ब्लैक कलर है सर?
नहीं नहीं, सफ़ेद है।
सफ़ेद है? मेरा भी।
आपको दिख रहा है ना सफ़ेद?
और कहाँ से आ रहे हो आप अभी?
अंधेरी गया था मैं।
अंधेरी से? मैं भी अंधेरी।
अंधेरा है ना, इसलिए अंधेरी गया था।
अच्छा, तो बाइक में आपका चैनल में फॉलो करता हूँ सर।
आप चैनल फॉलो करते हो मेरा? बढ़िया बढ़िया है।
ये बाइक पर दिखती है आपको चैनल।
नाम क्या है आपका?
हाँ?
नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम आशुतोष पालव।
ओह बढ़िया, मैं आपको फॉलो करता हूँ।
फॉलो करते हो?
करूँगा, बोल रहा हूँ।
Okay, bye. Nice meeting you. Thank you for coming here. Thanks for dropping me.
चलते हैं।
Once you reach, please call me.
Yes, I will call you. चल बाय।
Bye.
And I will show you the paddock stand and my gloves tomorrow. Paddock stand में क्या है कि वो अलग अलग हिस्सों में, so I will have to attach that first and then I will show you. So guys, I have fixed the paddock stand. तकरीबन 1 घंटा लगा मुझे फिक्स करने के लिए because there were few of the things that were very tough and I can say this is a very tough paddock stand. For a price, it is a very good paddock stand. Let me show you. So this is something the bike looks with a paddock stand. So keeping the bike on the stand and removing it is very simple, but the few things that I got with the paddock stands, so I had to fix that with a bolt and then I had to construct that particular thing. So it took a little bit of time because this was the first time that I bought a paddock stand. So let me show you my new gloves. So I will be using it in the city and normal weekend touring. So these are the pair of gloves that I've bought and they are all leather and somewhere they are little mesh. So I liked it overall and it goes very well with the bike's color as well. So I went for it. So let me show you. I will wear one and I will show you because I'm holding a phone on the hand. Here it goes and it fits really well and it's perfect for my hands. And has all the protection, normal protection you need. So it is good for city commutes. So I will make a full review about this once I use this and I will let you know. So guys, I got the paddock stand for 2000 rupees and these Taichi gloves I got for 1000 rupees. So not a bad deal. So guys, hope you like the video, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions then let me know in the comment section below and I will answer those. And as always, have a great day and ride safe.